这干啥嘞？在那个位置，在前面那个位置，在那个位置，就在前面那边上船吧，让人买票。这个来个大一点的，这个雅拉河，这边上吧，哎，这差不多连到那个海，连到那个大海了。戴着耳机说话都听不清楚了。哎，降噪听不清楚。哎，这个好一点，听得清自己说话的声音，听得清楚。上面有个球场，这边靠岸了。它是从上面左手边开始的，好像一个人40多啊，大的船好像是一个人40多，小船不知道多少钱，小船一个人、2个人都可以坐。在网上订购那个。这边有表演杂技的，每天都在这个位置，我不知道前两天今天应该有啊，好像在。这是个小岛，它上面是喝咖啡的。最前面是海洋馆，在前面一点点，这个桥的前面一点是那个海洋馆，就是些鱼啊类型。3%了，马上关机了。找个地方坐一下吧。买了很多菜，然后蔬菜、水果。
The fuel that I use to eat the fire with, this stuff, some people ask, is called tequila. It's my weekend too, yeah? So, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and right now I'm going to try to put a little bit of this fire, which I will light, inside my mouth. The first trick of the show. So, when you guys see me do the first trick, everybody, let's try to clap maybe a bit louder than before. Everybody in Melbourne is going to hear the clapping. We'll get 5,000 more people, and we'll all go to the pub. And we'll all order again, so it'll take forever. Let's try this first. Okay, after this, the jump. Everyone ready? On 3. 1.
马上关机了。
1, 2.
1%了，你看不了了。
I just want to point out, by the way, sometimes in the audience, people do say things like, "No, don't do it, no." Don't do it. 2 people. Yeah, this is why I love Melbourne. I can tell you guys don't give a shit, do you? So like you're all looking at me like this right now, like put it in your nose. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Big clap. second. Look. At the opening stuck at the door, I thought that was a pretty good trick. Now, I understand that you guys I understand you guys have seen good stuff before, but let me show you some of my good stuff. If you're all ready for the good stuff, can you give me a yeah?
哦，关机了。